Tonight we're going to prep chicken thighs for tomorrow. First step, clean them up. Next step, marinate the chicken thighs with yogurt, paprika, black pepper, salt, and 1 lemon. Chicken thighs are done being marinated, so in the fridge it goes until tomorrow. We got our chicken thighs marinated the night before, and we're going to do sweet potato and yellow potato mixture in the oven. Let's get into it. First step, peel the potatoes. Next step, add parchment paper to the pan for the potatoes in the oven. Next step, cut up the potatoes for the oven. I have to switch to a bigger pan, so we're going to do olive oil and salt. The oven's set to 400 Fahrenheit, convection roast, so in it goes. Come back in 15 to 20 minutes. Potatoes are at the halfway point. We're going to remove the tin foil and put it back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. The potatoes are done. Inside the one jar goes the next. Cook the chicken on the barbecue. The chicken thighs on this side of the grill, so let's get the burners on. Meat in the high heat, close the lid, and let it heat up. The barbecue is at the right temperature. Time to add the chicken thighs to the grill. A few more seconds on the chicken thighs, and then we pull the meat, and then we plate for dinner. Everything is done. Then we plate for dinner.